start off with Stella the way Starlight.
Here's the truth.
Hey y'all, it's Danielle and welcome to Let's Talk Food, where we talk about food, eat some bomb food, and talk about whatever else is on my mind. So today I have a very special guest, and her name is Dani Plantom. Looking at her, today I'm my own guest, you guys, so you're gonna really spend some time with me. Alright, so I have an avocado here, I have a banana with the freckles. This, oh my gosh, hello? Yes, this is the perfect banana every time. Always want to get one with freckles. I have some raspberries here, some red walnuts, so different from regular walnuts. Super beautiful, looks like lungs, just incredible. Some cashews, chia seeds, pecans, almond milk, and some coconut flakes. So as you can tell by the title, we are making green smoothies, but I'm kind of freestyling, so I really don't even know what's about to happen, but I do know I'm gonna do two different types. So I have two different bowls here, two separate vibes. I love this bowl. It makes me feel like at home. It makes me feel just comfortable. Like, I love this bowl, so I'm gonna definitely use this one. This, I don't know what I'm gonna put in here yet. It's gonna be two smoothie bowls, but we just gotta see what happens with this one. So this recipe is one of my go-to recipes because it's basically a quick, easy, and nutrient-dense meal that you can actually drink. So the base of my green smoothies are pretty simple. The first ingredient is 1 banana. It would be nice if it's frozen, but if it's not, it's fine. Then we have 1 teaspoon of spirulina, which is basically like a blue-green algae. And honestly, this right here is the key ingredient to any poppin', beautifully colored green smoothie because it's just so filled with life. First of all, it's packed with complete protein. So if you want to ask me where I get my protein from, spirulina. And it's loaded with vitamins like vitamin A, K1, K2, B12. I mean, it's really incredible. And for me, it boosts my energy, boosts my energy. I'm already high off life all the time, but it definitely gives me everything I need in order to have a mentally productive day. So yeah, for the base, we also have 1 bunch of spinach, a little bit less than what is shown in the video, but it really is up to you and your preference. A half of an avocado because it makes the smoothie extra smooth, and about a half a cup of nut-based milk. I have almond milk. And as for the rest of the ingredients, there will be all toppings for our smoothie bowl / cold soup bowl, just to add some more life to it and sneak in some nutrients and minerals. So some options for toppings that I have here are raspberries, pistachios, red walnuts, cashews, and chia seeds. But at this point, you can really get creative and top it with whatever you have available in your kitchen. Alright, so I like putting avocados in my smoothies just to make them extra smooth. So I'm praying that this one is just absolutely perfect when I open it. Oh my goodness, it is. Yes, guys, yes, I needed this. Alright, we don't even need too much of this. We just kind of want to scoop maybe half. Yeah. Yo, this color, this is perfect. It's not too sweet. It's perfect. And the color is just stunning. Oh my gosh. Alright, so like I said, I'm kind of freestyling. 2 separate smoothie bowls. Both for me, so I can lick my fingers. So I think I want to do one that is super nutty. And I think I'm going to go with this wooden bowl. Just throw in some nuts. Oh my gosh. And you're allowed to be messy with this. It doesn't have to be perfect. Make it to your liking. Oh, yes, yes, yes. And some pistachios. Yes, so I put in some pistachios, some cashews, pecans, maybe some chia seeds. Put a little bit of chia seeds in here. Beautiful. I think this is good. You know, it's a little nutty. This is like the nutty version, just like with that little bit of tart with the kiwi. So for this one, I guess we could make this a little bit more sweet. Ooh, speaking of my fruit basket, I have some dragon fruit. I always smell my fruits first before I, oh my gosh, yes. Lord have mercy. Wow, 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 wow. I'm just gonna scoop this out. Yep, this is great. Oh, it's like soup. Many times I make my smoothie, like I'll freeze my fruits and vegetables. Like when I was going away to school, I would freeze like my bananas and all my fruits and keep it in like little Ziploc bags, and I call those my smoothie bags. And I'll pull them out in the morning. All I have to do is add almond milk and just blend it up and I'm good to go. Some coconut shavings. I'm being real messy with this because I want to emphasize the fact that it does not have to be perfect. Like, really just be free with this. And that's it. 2 green smoothie bowls. 2 different ways, super nutty, and then we have one coconut. I guess makes it a little nutty, but this one is a bit more sweet. This one is more nutty. Oh my gosh, but they're both beautiful. Super nutrient dense as well. Alright, I'm about to just dig into this, let y'all know what I honestly think. So this is the one with the dragon fruit, coconut shavings, and raspberries. I'm gonna get a raspberry in there. Yes. It tastes green in a great way. Like, I feel like my heart chakra is just getting a lot of love right now, and I feel really warm. And the nuts are just giving me a little crunch. It was great. I'm about to take my Polaroid picture for myself. I had a blast today with myself. Yes, I did. Are we ready? Say vegan cheese. The skin of a kiwi. Like, some people like take the skin off kiwis. I eat them.
tastes fine to me.